What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y, back with another video. Hey man, it's been a minute, man. I ain't had time to really work on the car, man. I've been trying to get this paper, but since we here, you know what I'm saying, I had a little time to do what I need to do. I'm gonna show y'all what's going on up under here. Everybody else doing it, but here we go. All right. So yeah. Up on here now, man. We got the Omi, upper, new Omi. Lowers is what I'm on right now. I'm actually gonna start installing stuff. I'm gonna install the shocks, and then after that I will finally put the dog on, get the rear end up on here. You know what I'm saying? I don't know if it's gonna be today, but I'm gonna try. So you see my U-joint up there. I got a new U-joint, but you know I ain't put it in. We're gonna rock with this one. I greased that one, so we're gonna see how that go. Other than that, man, this is where we at right now today. I'm gonna try to do a little more work, you know what I'm saying, because doing all the recording, man, it take a minute, bro. It take a minute to be recording and trying to show y'all what I'm doing at the same time. Sometimes it take a minute, and some days I just be want to knock it out. So, you know, I try to show y'all what I can. But anyway, we gonna go ahead and get head to it, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on in a minute. All right. What's going on, gang? We back. This a whole nother day. I finally got time to work on it, so I'm gonna let y'all see what I got going on. I got more progress. We got more progress. I'm almost done. I'm gonna tell you something, boy. I don't know what the hell they be doing on here to make it seem like that rear end be up like that. But I'm here to tell you that right now, it don't go like that, my boy. You hear me? I've been wrestling with the rear end by myself. The rear end is heavy as hell. I don't know what they be doing. Like I say, I don't know what they be doing. To goddamn, maybe they get another person or something. They pause, they get another person to put them up on there to help them. But boy, it's hard to do this by yourself. I'm gonna tell you that. But we G.D.I.Y anyway. But I just want to show you. So let me show you. This is where we at. All right. So yeah, look up under here. We got the rear end up. It's up. See, I got my upper. Then I had my lowers right here. Here go one on. But we got the rear end up. It's up in the everything is not bolted all the way down, because you gotta bolt it down when you get it to the bottom. But as you see, I got the new springs in there also. The springs was a little funny, but new springs in, rear end, new shocks. I ain't put them in, I ain't bolted them up yet, but that's the next thing I'm gonna do. I gotta do that brake line, make sure I tighten that brake line back. But I'm gonna finish bolting up those things, drop it to the ground and torque everything up, man. And I'm sorry, I take that back. I can't drop it to the ground yet. I'm gonna have to put the brakes on, my drums on, and my wheels and all that. But that's the next step. After I do this, tighten up all these bolts, and you know, not tighten them, but after I put everything on, then I put my brakes on, because we back put my drum brake on. I'm going back with drums right now, just for right now, and we're gonna put the drums back on, and then we'll drop it down and tighten up everything. But that's where we at right now, gang. Alright, what's going on, gang? It's been a little minute. I don't know, a couple days, whatever. But like I said, when I get time to work, I'm gonna let y'all know. But yeah, still working on rear end, man. Rear end giving me problems, man. But I'm gonna show you what we got going on right now. Alright, so I painted the I can't even think, bro. Y'all just forgive me if I can't think right now. But yeah, I painted the rear sway bar. And here we go, man. I got the drums. I painted the drums. I got everything up on here like I showed y'all before. I got everything going on. Now I got the brakes on, new brakes on now. Only thing I gotta do is tighten up the emergency cable that's up under the car, and Once I do that, then I finally be able to drop it and tighten up the upper and lower control arms, and we done. The drive shaft is in also. The drive shaft is connected. So like I said, the only thing I gotta do is do that, and then we'll be done, man. Like I say, it just, you know, it's just one of them things, man. It be taking a little minute. It be taking a little minute sometimes, man, when you're trying to do the jump, man. Sometimes it take a little minute, but I'm gonna go ahead and jump up on here, man. Do a little more, and I'll cut y'all back on in a minute. Maybe, hopefully it's today. If not, the next time I cut this mug on, we'll be done. If it ain't today, the next time I cut it on, we should be good. Alright. Alright, gang. Whew, after a hard, long fought, a hard, long battle. We finally did it, boy. We done. It's over with, man. Finally got done with the rear end, man. It been kicking my, you hear me? It been kicking me, but we done, man. I ain't let it down on rims yet because I got something else I want to change. I want to change something. That's another video though. But for today, finally, after all these days, man, we done. I'm gonna show y'all the finished product before I get out of here. Alright. So yeah, like I said, we got a red everything, man. Not everything, but we finally done, man. Rear end is done. Torque down. Everything, man. You see we got the sway up here. Got painted. Shocks, springs, lower over there, down there, up there. Rear end 373 posi. You hear me? New gears. We gonna see what it do, man. He say take it easy for the first 500 miles, but I don't know. You feel me? I don't know. We gonna see. But yeah, man. It's G.D.I.Y game, man. You hear me? Sometimes you gotta do it yourself, man. Like I said, it took me a minute because I've been working, but you know, just to be done, man, I feel happy. I feel accomplished, man. Now we finna get this thing out of here. You know what I'm saying? I got other little stuff I need to do, tinker with, but I can take it out. So we gonna see, man. But yeah, like I say, man, it's your boy, Mr. G.D.I.Y. And hey, man, sometimes them shops get bagged up, you don't know where to start. You gotta do it yourself, man. We out of here. The rear end is done. Let's go.